So please welcome the 18 candles.
The 18 lights signify the important people in Belle's life who will guide and light your way to the right path. As you hear your name, please be on stage and light your candle and give a short message or birthday wish for Belle. Let me call on Miss Marwina Joy Cantomayor.
Hello. So, once again, good evening everyone. Hi, B. So, first of all, karon na dyan may nakakita. Murag karon ra pod nga year. So, first of all, happy birthday, Belle. So, nalo kay ginote ari gamay no kay since nag-practice pa pud mi ganiya sa among kanta nga murag So, today marks a new chapter of your life, a beautiful turning point where you got to reflect on everything you've been and everything you've become. Oh, shut up! So, I can still remember, no, back in grade 7, when we first sat beside each other, yay! Sa likod sa ating room. So, even then, no, ipahulong ko niya old correction tape since ako ato nga time, kay wala sad ko kayo friends. Kay, first day of school, and then, I am from Dagatan Elementary School, and then wala kayo ko suod from other schools.